Okay, so I've decided
Yes.
that I'm gonna do a DIY on upholstering my chairs. So I took the bottom of the chair out, which was quite easy. That was the easy part. So I thought all I needed to do now, why don't I just
What?
take out the nails or whatever,
Anyways,
and then I'll be able to just cut the material and do the thing, and it'll be so easy. It's been an hour now that I've been trying to open up. This is quite a job, so you need some time to finish it. So I've done this with Tia, my aide, who has taken a break
Yep.
to speak to the telephone to one of her friends. So I'm gonna show you what we've been doing.
Hi, Tamaya.
We've been taking the staples out because staples were in there. So once I get the staples out, hey, look at that. They're not that easy to come out, but like I said, it's a DIY.
I know when you're
Professionals
lying.
know how to do it easier, and I'm doing my thing. There. See? Got it out.
Hello?
So yeah, that's how I'm trying to take them out. First, I'm using my pliers. Use the pliers to bring it up. Just look at that. And once
9.
I expose the staple, have to get it off, get it out there. And that's what is taking the time. I found that the corners are a little tougher to do, but yeah, a little bit at a time. Guess what? When I'm finished doing this,
Pardon?
I'll shout back at you to show you how
Yes.
far I've gotten. Bye.